Hello everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania and I want to thank you for tuning in to Uplifting Mondays, where every Monday I will uplift your soul. In today's topic, I want to talk about 10 ways to handle stress in a crisis in Jamaica. You never know when a crisis will strike and stress gets hard. And we are also in the coronavirus pandemic, which is why I decided to put together a list of tips that will help you deal with this kind of situation and not let yourself crumble under pressure. When I talk about stress, it could be short-term stress or long-term stress. Here are 8 tips that will help you get through whatever crisis or stressful situation you are facing.
Come and chat with Tania.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Number 1. Take slow, deep breaths. Enough times, a lot of times, things are not going well and you are going through a bad time of your life. People will say to you, don't worry or stop worrying about it, the situation, but this will not help. Actually, there is a fairly simple answer that replaces what was said with another simple instruction to take slow, deep breaths. Anytime you are go through stress, take slow, deep breaths. If you are panicking, worrying, or fretting, remember to breathe slowly. This works because it allows oxygen to get to your brain, oxygen that your brain needs to think more clearly, and you deserve to think clearly. It can also slow your thoughts down and increase your mental clarity, which is exactly what you need when faced with a crisis. So take slow, deep breaths. Number 2, break down your task into small steps. So all of us every day, we get up. We have enough things to do, activities that overwhelm us and stress us out. Things that you must complete and sometimes do not have the money or resources to do it. Things to complete in weeks or months. Well, how can you make tasks easier with less stress? Breaking it down into small parts, each one of which seem more doable. Once you have broken it down, you have got a plan, and this puts you in a far better position, and then maybe it won't seem like a crisis anymore. That plan that you create, make it work. Number 3, reach out to others. You see, whenever you feel pressured, facing stress, or in any crisis of any kind, talk to someone about it. Find someone that you can trust. If you have a manager or a team of people who rely on you, tell them you're stressed and you're finding it difficult to cope. If you are off track with tasks of your daily activities, it's better for people to know sooner. This way, they might be able to help you find a solution, like helping you or giving additional help from others. Also, talk to your partner, friends, or family about it, even if they can't think of a way to help. Talking about it will at least give you a sense of relief. If you're faced with long-term stress and can't deal with it, don't hesitate to contact a professional and get help. Calling a free helpline is always a good starting point. However you do it, if you're going through a crisis or stress, don't go through it alone. Reaching out will help. Number 4, take time to move away from the situation. Anything that you're going through and you're feeling pressured, move away from it. Once you have done that, you can come back to whatever was pressuring you and approach it refreshed and with a more positive mindset. Besides, After you have leave it alone for a while, you may see the problem from a different angle and could have insights that could give you solutions that you have not seen before. If you are talking about a task that you have to get done for the next morning and you're working frantically, this could mean taking short breaks. Just remember to give yourself strict time limit, and if you are talking about long-term stress, remember to meet friends, do things you enjoy, have some you time, maybe even try meditation. Doing these things will help recharge your batteries and come back even fresher. Number 5, accept what you cannot change. This is a key principle in life. Please learn it. Whatever the crisis that you are facing, probably there are a whole lot of things that you would like to change. Break them into a list, then into 2 lists. Group 1, the things that you can change, and group 2, the things that you cannot change. After reading them, you just have to live with them. Worrying about them will lead to you spending time and emotional energy on things that are pointless in worrying about. Once you have accepted them, you will have more time and energy to alter the things you can change. Number 6, stay positive. I am sure this one may sound a little vague, but there is no doubt that a positive mental attitude helps you face stress and deal with crisis. But if you are not feeling positive, there is no way you could beat it. There is a few techniques you can try. One of them is a daily habit that you can get into. At the end of each day, think about 3 things that happened that day and you could be grateful for, however big or small. Over time, you will find that doing this will give you a more positive outlook, more prone to seeing half full, and this will lead to be better equipped for situations when they arise. Number 7, remember to exercise. When you're going through a stressful period, it can be easy to skip exercise, and as Jamaican, we hardly exercise. The longer hours you are sitting in front of the laptop or whatever it is that you have to put the extra hour into might make you think that staying healthy is not a priority. But remember, it is always a priority. Finding time to work out, to go for a jog, and play sports will help you to detach from your worries, and it will trigger endorphins, which helps you stay positive, feel better about yourself, and deal with stress. Number 8, eat healthy. Lots of people react to stress by eating junk food. When you are on a tight schedule, ordering takeout pizza or eating out definitely takes up less time than preparing a well-balanced meal at home. Invest your time in a healthy diet. If you do not, you will sink. Do not stick to the bad habits and get out of shape. This will affect your self-esteem and make you feel more negative in general, and will also mean less oxygen pumping to your brain and around your body, which means reduced capacity to think clearly. So avoid this vicious cycle. Invest time in preparing some quality healthy food means investing in yourself. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican and spending some time with me. Remember to like and subscribe so you will never miss out on another uplifting video. Feel free to leave your way of handling stress in the comments. Please remember to share this video with a friend who might be stressed. Select any of these 2 videos in the end screen and stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching. Lick more.